Hello my lovely people, this is Nas Love by Nas Beauty. Today I am bringing you guys a very simple recipe. It's the cake. We're gonna make a yellow cake. This one you can get it at any grocery store. So it's they already did the mixture. You just do the assembling and we are ready to go. So to make this cake you're gonna need about 3 eggs. So you need 3 eggs, vegetable oil, 1.5 cup of vegetable oil, and you need a 1 cup of water, and you need some sugar. I usually add the sugar. Let's go with the mixing, shall we? Okay, we're gonna start our mixture. I have 3 eggs, and these are vegetable oil, 1.5 cup. Pour, and I'm gonna pour 1 cup of water. Okay, so this is the metric, and that's I need 8 ounces of. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and add sugar. I usually add 3 tablespoons of sugar. Okay, so I had to use these ones because people sometimes work upside down. So 3 of this of sugar. Okay, the reason why I add sugar is to give it more flavor, and it just tastes good every time I make this. People ask me, how did you make this cake? I tell them it's a box cake. You know, they mix the I don't know how you're gonna say, the super moisture cake. They still ask me question. Oh, it tastes good because I add sugar in them. Okay. So once you add your sugar to give it some more flavor, you go ahead and add 1 cup of water, okay? And beat up your mixture really good. So go ahead, use your whiskers and whisker until it's all mixed well. Okay, once you mixed it good, go ahead and take your cake mixture. Everything, it's ready. You don't need to add nothing beside the eggs, the vegetable oil, and the sugar, just to give it more flavor. Beside that, everything it's already mixed, everything it's ready. You just pour your flour in there and mix it. Voila, you have your mixture, and put your tray in the oven. You're supposed to already preheating your oven to get it ready. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and do the mixing. All right, so that's the name of the cake mixture. If you want to go in the store and find you one or get you one to make this cake, here it is. So we are done with our mixing. You see how it is? So you don't need to work hard to make the cake, you know, not anymore. So mix it, take your tray and put some butter. Your oven, it's already preheating on 350, and we are ready to go. And if you are asking yourself some question, here is this is the measurement. So you need 1 cup of water, 1.5 cup of vegetable oil, and you do need 3 eggs. Okay, and that's how they show how you can mix it and to put it inside your oven. So the tray that you're gonna use, that's up to you, whatever you have at home. All right, my people, I love you guys, and we're gonna go ahead and start pouring this in the tray, the baking tray, and start up on baking. Okay, my lovely people, here is our tray. It's already buttered in. You know, put the butter inside so your cake won't stuck on the bottom, and we're gonna pour our mixture inside. Okay, my lovely people, we pour the mixture in there, and we're gonna pop it up in the oven. I think it's about 30 to 35 minutes. You are ready to go. So I wanted to show you guys, this is my oven. It's already preheated, like about maybe 10 minutes before or prior to starting the mixture. And we're gonna go ahead and close the oven and over here and set your time, like cooking time, you know, all the way to 35 minutes. That's what I'm gonna put it, and we are ready to go. So see you in about 35 minutes to show you guys the result. All right, my lovely people, we are done with the cake. I'm gonna pull it off the oven. So this is the cake, the yellow cake. And to just ensure yourself that it's cooked, grab you a toothpick like that, poke it inside. If you pull it, there's nothing on it, it's well done. And you don't need to worry, you could do it, you know, different places. That's how you taste your cake. So I have to do the assembling, and I'm gonna put the whipped cream and the banana, and it will be ready to be eaten. I'm doing it for my husband's birthday party. It's not a party, but it's a birthday cake. So I didn't order a cake until the weekend, so I made him one. Okay, see you guys when I will be assembling. Okay, my lovely people, I did take a knife, cut squares of your cake, you know, like a piece of square. That's what I did, and I'm gonna go ahead and start up on the whipped cream. You can get it to the store or you can make your own. And I do have some wafers, and I do have some banana here, and I'm gonna go ahead and cut banana in the round and put it on top of the cake, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add the whipped cream and then the wafer on top. Okay, all right, this is how I cut the banana. I put it in each square, so to make it easy when it will be time to put it on a plate, I will just scoop up from the bottom up. It will, you know, like come out, and voila, this is how it looks like. And we're gonna go now and add the whipped cream. Okay, grab you a spatula or whatever the cake knife is, and just lay over your whipped cream, nice and, you know, nice and dandy, all over your cake, or all on top of the banana. Okay, I went ahead and covered just one side of the cake that we're gonna eat as far as now, and the other side I leave it just in case for later on, because I don't want it to be how you say, mushy. But once you put your whipped cream, you go ahead and put it in the fridge, so this way it won't be mushy. This is my fun part of the cake, when you're getting the cookie and crush it and put on top of your cake. If you have like a strawberry jam, you could, like you know, decorate the top of your cake as well. So here in this plastic bag, I have the crushed wafers, and just throw it on top like that, you know. Do it all over, voila. All right, this is how.
One finger up.
So this is how you just grab your spatula, you lift it up like that, and you can wash your hands and grab it and put it on the plate the way I did. So here we are, and here we are. Okay, so it's a very delicious cake. So thank you so much for watching and for riding with me. And if you have any question, please leave it in the comments below. Do not forget to subscribe, like, thumbs up if you like the video, and I will see you in the more video to come. So please share with your loved one, and thank you so much for watching. Nas Love by Nas Beauty. You can follow me on Facebook, Nas Love by Nas Beauty, and I do have Instagram, Nas Love by Nas Beauty as well. And as well as you guys know, my YouTube channel, it's Nas Love by Nas Beauty, and I do have a Snapchat, Nas Love by Nas Beauty. So please share with your loved one and subscribe, and try the cake. It's very, very delicious, and I see you soon. Bye bye.